Okay, so this is going to be a very simple test. I'll start the bike, CBR250R, and then the engine is a bit warm already, and I'll rev it to about 3000 and then to about 6000, and I'll check the decibel meter as well. This is before installing the K&N filter, so I can check if there's any real difference. So here goes. Well, it shows 80 decibel. It's not very scientific, but hey, so I'm going to push it to 3000 and I'll read the decibel, and then to 6000 as well. So that's 85 decibel at 3000 and about 90 to 92 decibels when it's at 6000. So I'll put in the air filter and I'll then do another video. Bye.